Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2014 Toyota Highlander, and on this Toyota Highlander we're going to go over how you would replace your license plate light. So to start with, you're going to need to get this cover to come off. There's a little indent right here. If you take a small screwdriver or a pick tool that you can put in there, and you're just going to pop it to the outside, and that way you'll get the cover to release. You can do it on either side, and then just reach in there and pull out the light bulb. And this light bulb here is a 168, and so you get a new 168, and then just place it in. Just press it in until it fits in there, and then take your cover and put it back on. And snap it into place. And so that's how you replace your tail light, or not your tail light. That's how you replace your license plate light on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.